Hello, hello. Thank you for joining me again. We are going to be painting a cute sign, perfect for getting ready for fall. We are going to go ahead and we're going to stain the little fence a dark brown and then do some distressing. And we're going to paint our plaid pumpkin a fun orangey color, and then our basic pumpkin a light green. So let's get started. We're going to start by applying our stain to our fence. And I'm going to be using my wet sponge and some acrylic paint to get that stained technique. Alright, now that our fence is stained, we're going to set it aside for it to dry before we do any distressing to it. Alright, I am going to go ahead and paint the outlines of the pumpkins a cream color, and then I'm going to paint the little pumpkin the light green and the larger pumpkin a fun shade of orange, and then I'm going to stain my bow a medium brown color. So let's go ahead and get started on that. Okay, so now that we have our pieces all painted, we're going to set them aside and we're going to do some distressing on the fence. Alright, so for the fence, we are going to use our chip brush. And we're going to use a little bit of the medium shade of brown and some of the cream to add some distressing to make it look like old aged wood. Alright, so I've added the cream and the light brown onto the fence, and now I'm just going to go back over with the original dark brown color just to add a teeny bit more variation to the wood grain. Alright, so our distressed fence is finished. I'm going to go ahead and take a small piece of sandpaper and just rough up the edges just a little bit to make it look more natural. All right, now it's time to assemble the sign. And there we have it, our little sign, perfect for fall and the upcoming change in weather. Now, if you opted to have it be a hanger, you could go ahead and add some twine or ribbon or string in the little holes at the top, or in this case it will sit on my table on a little table easel. I hope you had fun getting crafty with me today, and I hope you join me again next time. Bye-bye.